Hello guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you the easiest way how you could fix the problem monetization is not available for your location. So for example, in my case, I live in Europe and I'm getting this error. So let's open our YouTube, click on our YouTube studio. We scroll on the left panel and click on earn. And here, as you can see, monetization is not available in your location. While I know for sure that in my country, monetization is available, but there is an issue. So to fix that, just go to the bottom here and click update location. So for example, you live in France, you need to put as a country of residence, France. Personally, I live here in Europe, so I will look for my European country where I live, and I will click save. Here, as you can see, I have updated the location, and now once I have reached the number of viewers and watches accordingly, I will be able to email them asking them to enable me for earning from YouTube. Thank you guys for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.